Why do you need an information?
We need the information because first, we don't know what's happening in the world. So without the information, we will not have an idea what's happening in the world. So we need an information because to be aware on what's happening in the world, especially, for example, in the war. No? We don't know that there's a war if we are not looking for that information. We are not informed. So we need that. We need an information in everything. So bilang isang estudyante naman, as a student, we need information because information help us to develop our skills. I will develop our minds because sometimes when we don't know the meaning of something, for example, the words, you just search it and the information will show to you, and by that you will know what you didn't know, what you have searched. There's an answer. So that's the good thing about the information. But not all the informations are good. At syempre, you need to check it if it's variable, if it's kapani-paniwala.
Karaniwan itong ginagamit sa information sa internet tulad ng libro, artikulo, lalo na sa pamamagitan ng research engine.
How do you acquire and store information?
Para po sa akin, ang information na ito ay iniimbak at inaayos or isinasaayos sa loob ng komplikadong panloob ng struktura. Like for example po, may information po ako na nakuha, kailangan ko po itong pag-isipan or yung sa internet po, like for example sa internet, kailangan ko po itong pag-isipan or i-search po sa another na pinagsasearchan po. Tapos after po nun, yung pong para pong dino-double check ko po para po yung information na nakuha ko, if totoo po ba or hindi.
How will you determine the quality and accuracy of the information that you have?
Tingnan ko kung mapagkakatiwalaan, tama, at napapanahon ang source ng information.
Do you use that information that you have?
Iniisip ko kung anong pinaka-relevant o kapaki-pakinabang na nagagawin. Halimbawa, kung magtatanong ka tungkol sa panahon, titignan ko kung ano ang forecast sa Carla. Tapos kung may kailangan i-translate, mag-translate ako gamit ang website or Google Translate. Sa madaling salita, ang proseso ay parang pag-access sa isang napakalaking aklatan, pagpili ng mga aklat na may kaugnayan sa tanong, pagbabasa at pag-aayos ng mga impormasyon mula sa mga aklat sa iyon, at pagkatapos ay pagbibigay sa iyo ng boto sagot batay sa iyong tanong.
How will you communicate information?
Information can be communicated through various methods including verbal, speaking, writing, non-verbal, body language, facial expression, and visual image video means.
In Barangay Maligaya, many Acacias are begin countdown to give way for the construction for a new road. Because of this, Anna, a grade 9 student, noticed that their place has been getting hotter, especially in the afternoon. The shade that used to be a resting place for people and animals has also disappeared. She also heard that some residents are opposing the tree cutting because it affects the environment that the livelihood for others.
Based on scenario, what information do you need?
Based on the scenario, I realized that there's no problem in improvements, especially if it's for the betterment of our barangay or our country. But the real problem about it that kapag sa improvements, you don't need to to do something na makakapahamak sa katulad ng sa scenario. Diba? Nagputol sila ng ng puno tapos nagkaroon ng mainit. So, hindi naman lahat ng improvements ay kailangan na may tanggalin ka para mag-improve. So, yun. Sa improvement kasi, dapat titignan mo din kung mas maganda ba yun sa mata mo. Maganda yun na gamitan ng lahat kasi yun, mas mapapabilis ang biyahe. But, ang problema naman is mahihinitan ng mga tao pag gamitin ng toto. So, yun yung na-realize ko sa scenario na yun yung information na nakuha ko. Hindi naman lahat sa improvements kailangan na tanggalin mo isang bagay, patuloy mo isang bagay para magkaroon ng improvement sa maayos. Yes, it's good na nagkaroon ng improvement, but mali lang yun kasi nakapahamak ng mga tao, nakapahamak mo yung mga tinatod kasi nawala yung mga puno na dati na nasa silungan o nagbibigay sila ng karima. That's the information that I needed.
Where will you get them?
Barangay official, of the barangay hall, environmental website, and books.
How will you access them? Health professionals such as doctors, nurses, and nutritionists can be consulted for health information and advice. It is important to ensure the credibility for health information sources in order to receive accurate and reliable information.
How will you check the quality of information?
Check the date to ensure it is updated and current.
How will you organize and store them? Save online articles and documents in a specific folder on my phone or laptop. How will you communicate them? Make a short report or reflection about issues.
This isn't the end.